excited to share with you a new option for saving your tomatoes from the birds and allowing them to ripen on the vine. In this video, Saving Your Tomatoes from the Birds, Part 2. This new option is better than hanging CDs and metal pie plates in tomato plants to scare birds, better than netting that entangles and endangers birds and lizards, and better than picking tomatoes early before they ripen and turn that red color that attracts the birds. The option is fruit protection netting bags. These bags are made of organza mesh fabric. I bought 50 of these 6 by 9-inch bags with drawstrings from Amazon for only $16 to protect my clusters of grapes from the birds and squirrels. And they just so happen to work fabulously well for tomatoes too. So, this is how you use them. Wait until a cluster of tomatoes has developed and the first tomato begins to turn a faint orange color. Then just slip the bag over the entire cluster of tomatoes and gently pull the drawstrings. No need to tie them. The bags allow air, light, and water to pass through them but protect tomatoes from birds and squirrels. The birds don't seem to see or notice the tomatoes at all, as if they're camouflaged from their sight. This allows you to let the tomatoes turn that deep red color and ripen on the vine. Vine-ripened tomatoes are also very flavorful, and that is why you grow tomatoes, right? When a tomato turns that deep red ripe color, just open the bag and pick that tomato. Then close the bag and allow the other tomatoes to ripen. And that's it. So simple. It works so well. Enjoy your tomatoes and happy gardening.